In this episode, for the first time in 42 years, this thing is going to be driven. Seems like it's just one problem after another. You see we definitely have fluid splashing everywhere. It might be just a matter of tightening up these hoses. If somebody came up to me and offered me two choices I had to pick, and they said you can either bleed a brand new empty braking system in one day or rebuild two carburetors and finish the job by slamming your head in the door, I mean, I don't see a clear choice. Lots of little things we gotta do here. Definitely got some issues with the choke. It's an automatic choke. I'm missing the heat riser tube. Yeah, we got issues. I don't know, guys. I'm starting to think I'm not meant to drive this thing today. But clearly there's a lot to be figured out here. Back to square one with the brakes. Remember how I said if I had two choices to either rebuild a braking system and bleed it, or rebuild two carburetors and finish the job by slamming my head in a door? I'm starting to think option two might be the way to go. Let's all just take a minute and say thank God I didn't make it over that hump, because those brakes were straight to the floor. Nothing. Alright guys, I put in a lot of work late last night. I'm confident the brakes are solid. We have a 4x4 down there in case things go wrong. But if that doesn't stop it, my truck will. So I'm going to ease down, see how the brakes feel. If I like the way they feel, out around the truck. And I'm not going to go too far because I've been having issues with this thing stalling. And I don't feel like pushing it a long ways. But yeah, I'm ready to do this. I'm pumped. Let's do it. I'm not gonna lie, I drove that like a schoolgirl, but it was still awesome. Running and rolling. Brakes sound a little rough. Brakes still feel good. it's time to talk about where we're going from here. And I'm really excited about it. All right, so you guys know I'm doing this on a budget. And I've been referring to this entire project as a Restomod. And what I mean by that is, I'm not making this a show quality car where everything is back to its original state. Now, what I love about the fact that this thing is a base model straight six car is that there is no concern for taking risks on it. So I'm not afraid to try things and experiment on this car. For the overall look of this car, I've said before I'm a fan of rat rods. Anything that's old and weathered, I love the way it looks. That's what I'm drawn to. I am not drawn to high gloss, clear finishes. I will walk past that all day to go look at something more weathered and rustic looking. So that's my type of taste. That being said, it's gonna be done with quality and taste. That's all I'm gonna say for now. But I'm throwing it out there now because I don't want anybody to be watching this channel getting their hopes up thinking that this is gonna be like a restored classic condition looking Mustang. No, not gonna be that. We're on to bodywork now. I think the first project I'm gonna take on is this right passenger fender because it's in reasonably great shape. There's not too much work that needs done to it. So we're gonna take this off and completely strip it down and see what we have going on underneath on the bare metal. That'll also give us an opportunity to look into the wheel wells and all that and see what the rust situation looks like in there. I have a driver's side floor panel that I'm gonna be welding in, but that's gonna be a little bit later. I decided I wanna hold off on that and just get into stripping some paint on this thing and getting some panels and epoxy primer. But guys, it's gonna be awesome. Also, guys, this channel is starting to grow quickly, so I'm gonna ask you, please like this video. Consider subscribing if you're not subscribed and you've been following my stuff. And yeah, leave a comment if you wanna do something, I don't know. But I appreciate all you guys who have been viewing and following this. It's been a ton of fun, and where we're going from here is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. That's all I got for this week, guys. Until the next episode, take care.